Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about Questrade's mobile apps for trading. Questrade offers not just one, but two mobile apps for trading, Quest Mobile and Questrade Edge Mobile. Quest Mobile is designed for everyday investors, providing a user-friendly interface for trading stocks and ETFs, researching investments, and managing your accounts. It's a great option for those who are focused on buy-and-hold strategies or don't need highly advanced features. For more active and advanced traders, Questrade offers the Edge mobile app. This app is built for speed and has advanced trading tools. With Edge Mobile, you can access features like advanced order types, including bracket and trailing stop orders, and multi-leg option strategies. Both apps are free to download and use, though some advanced features on Edge Mobile may require a subscription to Questrade Plus. So, to answer the question, yes, Questrade does offer mobile apps for trading. They provide a choice to suit different trading styles, from the casual investor to the active trader. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.